Okay, what we're going to try to do is show you how to upload an email via in from your email into Kaleidacare. First thing you want to do is open up your email in a full view mode. I'm dragging one over here right now that I want to show you because it has an attachment that I built into it. And with this attachment, when we save this, you'll be able to save the email and the attachment all into the same location. We're going to save this under facility file, but you can save your emails under your staff name for important emails and documentation you receive. You can also save your emails under the client file and or the facility file. So let's look at saving this email, which is a test email that I received with an attachment. The first thing we want to do is go to File. We want to click Save As. And we're going to save this email as an MSG. It'll be the first thing that comes up, Outlook Messaging Format Unicode MSG. Now, when you save the MSG file, and I'm going to save this one under downloads, you're going to delete it once you upload it. So you can see I've downloaded it several times. I'm going to go ahead and click and save that one. It's going to say it already exists. I'm going to say yes. I've just now saved that email from opening it up in the email full view out of Outlook. Okay, so let's go ahead and close that. Let's go into, say, a facility file that I want to upload. So let's go to document management. Now, like I told you, you could download into document management of a child, of a facility in document management, and or you can do document management and upload it into your own staff file, which is a good place to keep emails that you're tracking other information. So let's go to a facility file in our document management. We're going to click upload. Okay. And we're going to look for one of my test clients or test facilities, which is David Luann Barr. We use that pretty regularly. The document type is going to be at the bottom. We're going to call it email contacts. Okay. You can do subcontract. We don't have subcontact types done. We want to add a file. The file we want to add is actually that one that we did, that test for uploading email message. Click that one. What we're going to do now is click open. We click open now. What I'm going to go ahead and put this is, I can rename it. I'm going to put contact bar family and you can put any kind of information here you want to be able to retrieve that notes file on email uploading. That's what we're talking about anyway. All right. Then you can date the document. You don't have to. I can just date it this way. That lets me track the order of the dates, the emails, the files that I sent in, and then any other notes you want to add to that. All right. Now, when I click Save, what you're going to see is it's going to save that file into the document management. Let's go back to document management. Let's go back to the bar and see the bars and see what we have. Because I'm going to show you what happens when you open one up. All right. We're going to click Find. We're going to go back and we're going to find that file. Now we just sent, right here, we just sent that file. There's the date that I put on it. I have some other things that I've uploaded in here, but we know that that's email contacts and contact file. All right, now I want to see that email now. I want to go back and review it. So if I click download, it'll download in the bottom left-hand corner of my screen, which you can't see. I'm sorry about that. Let me see if I can get that where you can view what came up. Let me reduce this real quick because I want you to see how it comes into Chrome. It'll come in down here and see where it says contact bar family message. That's the one I downloaded. Now watch this. When I click that open, that email comes back up in the Outlook format, including the attachment. So if I want to open up the attachment, I simply open up the attachment. Here I have the attachment that I put inside that email. So this is a quick way for saving an email plus all of its attachments that are there with it. Okay. So now that's all in my downloads folder. So everything's in my downloads folder, and I can of course delete it. It's really a simple process. As long as you save things as .msg, you can save them as HTML if it's just a script, but it's usually best just to save them that way if you have Outlook, where you can open that email later and look at it. So it also, and it saves the attachments that way, and so you can get it fairly quickly. Anyway, that's how you actually save and upload to Kaleidacare your document management. Again, you can upload to your clients, you can upload to your facilities, or you can actually upload to yourself. If I went to document management, let me show you this real quick, and let's say I look at myself. Now, if you don't have permission to this, we need to get a hold of your I need to make it a little bigger. I can't get to my stuff. Um, then if you need to get a hold of, like, to be able to access to put things in your account, we'll need to talk to your systems admin at your office. If we do a right here at the top, if I go to upload, it is going to be I'll usually put it IT. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add one thing for you real quick here so that you can have email, because you're going to want it. Let me find emails here. I'll just add it in here for you so you have a place to store it. Emails, contacts, email. We'll add that too as that. All right, let me close that. Now you can click on document type and add an email. Sorry about that. And then we're going to look up me. Like I said, if you can't see yourself, we can talk to Caroline about how to get that for you, or your other staff. Let's see, test uploading message. I've got that. Let me break that down so you can see it all. Uploading message right there. Click that. Click open. And it's, however you want to name, whatever you want to name that. You can click a document date, which is really usually good to do, so that you have that and save. Now what you're going to see now is in document management, when I go in here and select myself, I have some electronic inventories that are in here. Find. Then what you're going to find is there's that e-loaded message with the date. So you actually can save and archive emails that are very important to you as well. And again, you can go back and download that email just like it was and pull the attachments, or you can edit and of course delete that email if you need to. And I'm getting rid of that one. Okay. Anyway, that's the process for saving and then uploading your emails to Kaleidacare. Thank you for watching.